Hello guys, welcome to Airsoft Tabletop Reviews, and this is going to be the first pistol that I will be reviewing. Press this button right here, releases the mag. So I bought this pistol on eBay for about $6. Arrived quickly, and I like it so far. It's a pretty good gun. This is also a spring pistol. It says it's about 75 FPS. Pull it back. Shoot. Now let's bring it outside and see how it does. Okay, so I'm gonna set up cones. We're gonna see if we could hit them. So these yellow BBs are .12s, and these are .25s. Let's see how this pistol does. Okay, so let's start with the 12s. Move the mag. So this mag could hold 10 bullets. Okay, this is approximately 25 feet again with .25s. Okay, so I did skim this cup right over there. So with the .25s, the heavier ones, it was more accurate, but it went a lot. This is approximately 25 feet. See how it does. Okay, so let's see if I hit. Nope, so sadly I didn't hit, but it reacted pretty good. It was pretty powerful. Okay, so I did hit this cup twice with the .12s. Okay, as you can see, I hit that cup twice with the .25. Okay, so that's gonna wrap it up for today's review. Overall, I like this gun. It's a really fun gun, cheap. If you're new to Airsoft, it's a great gun. And if you are watching, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.